Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. A very good morning to respected principal, teachers, guests, and all my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate the Republic Day of India. As this is an important day for all Indian people, as the Constitution of India came into force on this day. Our motherland India was slave under the British rule for long years, during which Indian people forced follow the law made by British rule. After long years, during which Indian people were forced to follow the law made by British rule after long years of struggle by the Indian freedom fighters. Finally, India became independent on 15th of August in 1947. After 2.5 years later, Indian government implemented its own constitution and declared India as the Democratic Republic. Around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days was taken by the Constitution Assembly of India to pass the new Constitution of Assembly, which was done on 26th of January in 1950. After getting declared as a sovereign democratic republic, people of India started celebration 26th of January as a Republic Day every year. A big celebration arrangement in the national capital New Delhi, state capital, takes place all over the India. Celebration starts with the national flag unfolding by the President of India singing the national anthem. Following this, Indian Army parade stayed with dance, march, past, awards distribution, etc. Activities takes place at this day. The whole environment become full of the peace. That's all. Thank you.